So the first thing we're gonna measure is this picnic table. Let's see how many dinosaur footprints fit on this table. So there's one. Approximately 2 footprints fit on this table. That shows you how big the T-Rex footprint really is. So next we're gonna measure this fence. Five and a half feet can fit across. Now we're gonna measure the height of this tiki chair. How many dinosaur feet do you think it will take? Let's find out. That's one. About 3 dinosaur feet. How many did you guess?